Hello friends, this is Manjunath from Learn SAP Integration. Today I'm going to take you through the CPI certification process and the required preparation materials and some sample questions and answers. Okay, let's begin. So earlier this CPI, that was Cloud Platform Integration. Now this name has been changed to Business Technology Platform. So it is called BTP. So there is a most of the syllabus are same, but only there is a few additional steps in the uh, technology platform. Okay, I'll take you through step by step. Okay, see what all the things I'm going to cover. So I'll tell you about BTP certification overview. That is CPI underscore 13. And another one is second one is BTP certification syllabus and topic covered, and what all the study materials required, and I'll share you the link, and sample question papers also I'll share, and I'll also share study notes. I am also preparing for that. Okay, so certification overview, I can go here and so here this is the website I have just uploaded. Just search here. See, earlier I have uploaded for C underscore CPI underscore 12, that is cloud platform integration. Uh, Now latest is for 13. Okay, here is the link. See here, here most of the things I have covered for 12, but to be exact syllabus, better to go to this link. Okay, that is SAP training link. There you will get the exact updated syllabus. Okay, this is the one. This is C. This is the certification code. This is the certification name, and this is the exact syllabus. Okay, what it is covered in each material. I'm going to provide that material, CLD 100 and CP 100. Okay, and CLD 900, CLD 100, and CP 100. Most of the things are covered from these three books. Okay, now here, uh, so overall this is exam code. This is associate level. Total duration is 180 minutes. You will get 80 questions. Out of that, 68% is the pass percentage. Okay, uh, let's go back to PPT. Okay, now I have shown you where you will get the overview. Then this all the syllabus covered. Better to go to SAP and check the updated syllabus. Okay, here I have uploaded all the materials in this particular website. So there you can go and check it. So here, if you go to this website, just actually I have already enrolled. Otherwise, it will ask you for uh, user ID and password. If you are new to this website, just use your just create your account. Then you can access this. Okay. Now I have already created. Otherwise, you can go to free course. Go to this CPA certification link here. You can start the course. Here, what I have updated. So earlier I was not having the SAP PDF SAP books. So what I did was I have just uh, recorded some videos from some material from someone. So here I have uploaded. So if you want, you can go through it. Here CLD 100 and CLD 900 video I have uploaded. Here certification materials from some other sources. I have attended some training. So I have uploaded for your reference. So don't share it. Maybe you can use it, but don't share it. Okay, that is for your information. Then here I've already added some certification questions as well. So whatever sample questions I've already added here. So you can go through it. Even I've given the answer at the end. Okay. I'll keep on adding the sample questions here. And here you can download also PDF version. Then as I said, there are three books, CLD 100, CLD 900 and CP 100. So all these books are available here. So you can download and go through it. So, so going to PPT again. So here, just to summarize, I have just shown you what is the certification about and overview and what all the syllabus covered and topics also have covered. Always refer SAP training website so that you'll get the updated syllabus. And I have also provided study material link and I've also given the sample question paper. So study notes, I have some study notes I have prepared for most likely questions and I'll be updating in maybe a couple of days. Okay. Anyway, please go through it. If you have any questions or doubt, please comment below so that I can come up with an answer. So all the best for everyone who is taking the exam. So all the best. Thank you so much.